Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to make emojis in HTML. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe since we are very close to 100 subscribers. And yeah, that's it. Without any further ado, let's get on into the video. You know how our, alphabets and numbers like this, they're all part of a data set which transfers them to binary, which is what the computers understand, and that's what they represent them as. And the thing is, emojis are also part of that data set. So, in order to display an HTML page correctly, especially when you're using more complex things like emojis, the web browser must know the character set that is going to be used in the page. And this is specified in the meta tag. So less inside meta, and you do char set equals quotes caps UTF dash 8, and we close this off. So with this, you can display normal numbers and letters. So you can do I know P. I will display A, B, C, and then you below that you can do parentheses. I will display uh, ampersand. So that's shift 7 hashtag 65 and semicolon, and then the same thing, ampersand hashtag 66 semicolon ampersand hashtag 67 semicolon. So just like that. So these are the same exact things. And we can do the same thing with emojis. Emojis they just have different values in this character set. So let's say I want a smiling emoji. I can do less than sign P. I can just make a P tag, and I can do and hashtag 128516 semicolon, and that will give you a smiling emoji. And if you want to know which numbers correspond to which emojis, just search it up. Google will give you a quick answer. And let's say I want to do a heart emoji. I can do less than sign P, close this, and I can do ampersand hash 128151 semicolon. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So let's run this. Let's see how it looks like. So what we have to do is file, save. Now let's open up our file explorer. And then here, just go to where your file is. This is my file over here. And now I double click this, and it's going to open up a new Chrome tab. And you see over here, we have the just plain text. I will display ABC. Then we have the plain text plus the UTF characters, and here we have the smiley face, and here we have the heart. So it's really simple and it's really cool. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.